and welcome to my channel. In a previous lecture series we had seen what is safety wall, how the safety wall is working and what is the application of a safety wall, what is the difference between a safety wall and a rupture disc we had seen. In this series now we are going to see what is relief wall. We will see what is relief wall, how it is operating, what are the advantage and disadvantage, and most important question that what is the difference between the safety and relief wall we are going to discuss in throughout this video. At the end I am going to explain to you all in detail, but as we proceed I am going to tell you the few points about the difference. So please watch the video till end. Let me start with this. What is a relief wall? Relief wall is also like your safety wall who is reacting to the overpressure. So basically the rupture disc, safety wall and relief wall, they belong to the same family. But giving a reaction to the overpressure is different for all the three components. So how the relief wall is reacting? Whenever the overpressure is there, it is releasing the overpressure gradually. What I mean is, in a safety wall, it is suddenly the pressure pop out into the atmosphere, and when it come down to the just above the set point, the wall get closed down. But in a relief wall, it is gradually opening and releasing the pressure, and then it is gradually shutting down. This is the main difference between the safety wall and a relief wall. Next we will see what are the different characteristics of the pressure safety wall pressure relief wall. First we will see the flow sheet symbol. This is a flow sheet symbol for pressure relief wall. Now we will see what are the different types of the relief wall, that is a conventional spring loaded, balance spring loaded and pilot operated. The cost is ranging from 20 rupees to 35,000 rupees. Yes, you heard me, it is from 20 rupees. Because if the size of the project is small, a small type of the relief walls are also available, which is ranging from 20 rupees. And if the pressure handling capacity is more, or the sensitivity of the pressure handling capacity is more, then the price rises to 35,000 rupees. I got this price from the India Mart. Next we will see what is a partial list of the supplier. This is a level and flow control engineers, Vikai Process Instruments, Noble Protect Engineers and Industrial Enterprise. This is a list which I get it from the India Mart, and there are many more like this are there who is into the manufacturing of the safety wall. Now we will see the first type, that is a pilot operated safety wall. Don't get scared looking at a diagram. Students usually make a mistake in drawing the diagram, that they first draw the outer structure of the diagram and they make the diagram very huge. That's a wrong method of doing it. Draw the inner part of the diagram, that is a spring, then the diaphragm, etc., and then draw the outer part. That's the easiest way of drawing the diagram. Now we will see what are the parts of the diagram. First part is a pilot operated. Pilot is one who is the wall who is operating the other wall is called as a pilot operated wall. Like all the control wall, it has a actuator, it has a pallet and a spindle, and it has a pressure pickup device also. So let's see how these devices are working. First we will see the close position, which is very easy to understand about the relief wall. Now this is a close condition. A pressure is inputted from certain vessel or equipment where it is connected. So as long as the pressure is less, the pressure will be applied over here through this pipe, pressure pipe on this diaphragm. Okay, so you need to, if you want to open this control wall, you need to have a equipment pressure more than this diaphragm pressure. Then only your wall will get open up into the atmosphere. So how this taking place? See, in the equipment pressure raises above the diaphragm pressure over here, then it will start lifting the disc. As it lifting the disc, the liquid which is available inside the equipment will move out of the wall. I can explain you with the help of the graph. As I said, if you show the pressure profile of control wall, it will always add an advantage to your recruiters as well as in your exam. So the graph is drawn against the sitting force versus the system pressure. So as your system pressure increases, the sitting force will automatically going to increase. That is, it is started lifting up as your sitting pressure is the system pressure is increasing. If you observe, the curve is linear. It is a complete linear curve is there. So at 98% almost, you are all getting a 98% opening or a sit force is there. Okay. This is another profile which is drawn for the relief wall. We can explain it that this is a set pressure or a pressure, and this is a lifting of the control wall is taking place. So at the initial position, the set pressure is less, so the lifting is also 0%. So as your pressure started increasing gradually, suppose the pressure increases above your set point, that is a pop action is taking place. At that time, if you observe, the lifting is also taking place. So as your pressure increases, almost linearly your lifting is increases. When a maximum discharge is taking place, remember the complete action is gradual, it is not a sudden action. So as the opening maximum discharge of the pressure is taking place, that time the maximum seat opening is there, that is 100%. When a maximum discharge takes place, a pressure will now start dropping down. It will come to the set point and it will start dropping down. As it is dropping down, it is closing the control wall at the same time. This is a pressure profile of a relief wall. Now we will see what are the advantages of using the relief wall. The smaller packages are there, then the large pipe sizes are there. As we had just seen that the ranging of the cost is ranging from 20 rupees to 35,000. That is another added advantage is there. More options for the controls are available. Some designs allows to change the orifice sizing and the main control. That means a different design features can also be part of this complete relief wall design. Okay. Then the disadvantage is there, that is it is a fail safe and fail open modes are there various time. Then the more expensive at a smaller size, many a times it may happen that, see, it is depending upon the sensitivity of the plant, so we have to design accordingly. So if you are going for the lesser smaller size, it may increase many cases. Small parts in pilot wall are sensitive and contaminated particles can be a part of it. So those are the disadvantages of the relief wall. Application wise, in a low pressure storage tank, then a natural gas storage, then a air separation plant or VOC process plant, this is a very popular control wall which is used. This is one of the application, that is a process vessel is there, a ruptured disc is connected over here and a relief wall is there. Remember, the safety units are always connected as a backup of it. Okay, so this ruptured disc and a relief wall, a combination you will more see into the industry. Now we will see the most important part, that is what is the difference between a safety wall and a relief wall. In a safety wall, that is a compressible fluid is used. This is a very basic difference between the safety wall and a relief wall. That a compressible fluid like gas, vapor or steam is used in, if it is there in the vessel, then the safety wall is used. Non-compressible vessel ke liye we have a relief wall there, that is liquid filled equipments are there, then the relief wall is used. This is a basic difference. For the gas material, the pressure safety wall, and for the liquid there is a relief wall. When an equipment reaches to its set pressure, the wall suddenly opens, that is your safety wall. Okay, whereas a gradual reaction, that is the wall opens proportional to the pressure increase inside the vessel, is your relief wall. Next difference is, you can open the safety wall manually, but manual open of the relief wall is not possible. It directly open when the pressure reaches to its set point. It does not open directly. As I said, it is gradually open and opening is proportional to the increasing pressure. Matlab 10% if your pressure increases inside the equipment, a 10% rise will be there for the opening for the control valve. Okay, set pressure is just above the working and not more than 3% above the approved working pressure. That is 3% के आगे the working pressure is set for that. Similarly, for the relief valve, the setting pressure is 10% above the working pressure. What I mean by that, suppose we will consider that the equipment capacity is 9.5 kg per centimeter square. Okay, now for the relief valve, I have to set the pressure 10% of it. So what is a 10% of 9.5 kg per centimeter square? Yes, it is 0.95 kg per centimeter square. That means I have to set it for 10.45 kg per centimeter square, not more than that. This is how the setting is done. Okay. Due to the popping action, the wire draw effect is there in the stream is reduced. Okay, and there is a there is no popping action, so wire draw effect is there in the relief valve. That is an advantage for the safety valve in that case. What is a wire draw effect? Wire draw effect is basically a sitting friction taking place. That is, a disc want to sit on the plug and a friction is taking place. Suppose this is a continuous moment is taking place, that is on off and on off. There is a slight leakage is taking place in terms of the line. A wire like line is appearing. Okay, that is called as a wire draw effect. The valve opening is sudden. Action, there is no popping action, in a relief valve. So the wire draw effect can be between the valve and a seat. First we will see what is a wire draw effect. Okay, the wire drawing is a erosion or a scoring of the valve seats and on the disc material caused by the position the seat and a disc very near but not completely tight at the shut-off position, resulting in a very small liquid or a gas will flow over a time, erode or draw a small groove in the sitting material, preventing a full shutdown. Wire drawing occurs faster and is more pronounced the higher the differential pressure across the valve. The leakage from the wire draw valves, especially the blocking or a shut-off valve, are hazard risk for the downstream operating and the maintenance person and processes. So this is a wire line effect, which is not good for the health of the control valve. Okay. Now we will proceed further. For the application, the safety valve is used in a boiler stream drum, that is more popular for the boiler safety operation, air bottle operation, whereas the delivery side of position displacement pump, delivery side of the air compression, the cylinder head or a big internal combustion engine, there we can use the relief valve more. Now next comes as a safety relief valve. A combination of the safety valve and a relief valve is there. It is called as a safety relief valve. So what do you mean by the safety relief valve? I can say the safety relief valve is taking the good advantages of both the valve. That is, for example, safety valve is meant for the compressible fluids and the relief valve is meant for the non-compressible fluid, that is liquid and air. My safety relief valve can work for liquid and gases both. So that is an advantage of having a safety relief valve. Next example is a pressure cooker. That is a popular question that always in a student's mind, that whether in a pressure cooker which type of the valve is used. Is it a rupture disc? Is it a relief valve? Is it a safety valve? I open this question to you all after learning the series 1 for the safety valve, rupture disc and the relief valve. Now you please answer me, what are those valves? Are they valves or not? Or then if they are valves, then what are the types of those valves? Please let me know. I will be waiting for your answer. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.